Sally LePage, GE's creator in residence, and I'm joined here by Gary. Gary, what is this place?
Welcome to GE's largest gas turbine manufacturing facility, the largest in the world, and it's here in Greenville, South Carolina.
So this is where you take all of the parts to make a gas turbine, put them together, and then ship them off in one piece.
That is correct. Right now we're driving through the bay that brings this heavy metal together for our customers' power generation needs.
These things are huge. How much do they weigh?
Somewhere in the upwards of 200 tons. These are capable of powering hundreds of thousands of homes.
And these cranes then above us, they must be particularly powerful to be able to pick them up all in one piece.
Oh, absolutely. We require heavy-duty crane capacity capable of bringing these machines to our ship area. This is a gas turbine. We call it on the half shell, and we're fortunate here to have the heart of the unit, which is a rotor, installed inside the tube.
And you can really see what's going on. So take us from the beginning. So the air comes in from here.
Exactly. So the air is ingested from the front end or the inlet. So the forward end of the unit intakes the air, and we're talking at a speed that's equivalent to blowing up the Goodyear blimp in 10 seconds.
So there's a lot of air coming in. And this is the compressor, so this is where it gets squished down.
This is where it gets squished down to a high level of PSI, around the 300 mark.
And then as it comes down, so this is where the gas is introduced through this massive hole down here.
That is correct. So these are combustion chambers that are introducing the gas or the fuel, and it's going to mix with the compressed air to create that bang.
So that's where we set fire to the gas, release all of that energy, and that energy is sent through high pressure, high temperature air.
Right through the turbine section. And that turbine section is what creates the torque, and that starts moving around and expanding that hot air with fuel mixture.
And these are the turbines that spin round, and we can see they've got a special paint on them.
Right, so that is a thermal barrier coating, a patented process, and essentially what that ceramic coating does is it protects that metal from melting.
So without that special paint, the temperatures are so hot that the whole turbine would melt.
It would essentially melt, correct.
Wow, and then this turbine is what's spinning around as all the air is flowing through it, and that spinning is what generates the electricity.
That is correct. You're feeding that power right to that generator, and you're getting electricity.
Fantastic. I never knew making electricity could be so complex, but so beautiful as well.
Yeah, oh, it's great. So the next time you turn the switch on in your house, think about this is the gas turbine that's doing it for you.
So this is the finished product then. This is a turbine that's already all packed up to go.
Absolutely. So this heavy metal is going to get to our customer, whether it's here in North America or overseas for their power generation needs.
How on earth do you transport something this big?
This large machine will get transported by rail, and this is a 2-day trip to the Port of Charleston, primarily on weekends just to overcome logistical challenges.
So that's because there's less traffic on the roads on the weekend?
Absolutely, and the size of the envelope will require certain coordination efforts to be made to the port. Once it gets to port, it gets loaded onto a barge or a boat and makes its way overseas to our customers.
And then it can go anywhere around the world?
That's right, and go anywhere.
And it's all going to get there safely?
Safely and soundly with the right quality.
That's what we like to hear.